So y'all been following me, following my videos. I told y'all the other day that I got something special. Well, that day has finally come. My work clothes don't mind me. I gotta do this right before I go to work, unfortunately. But today is finally come. So today, it's the last day. You'll hear this car sounding this low. Cause today I will be adding the Dynomax mini race buttons. Y'all know about them. So yeah, man, I'm finna head over to the shop now and get this done right before I head to work and unleash the beast. Don't get me wrong, this car sound good. Stop. Look, I got it in sport mode right now. But am I wrong to want more? No, I'm not. But yeah, man, I'm headed to the shop. I'll see y'all when I get there. So that was an epic fail. Motherfuckers ain't know what the fuck they was talking about. So I'm gonna have to get this done later on when I find a place that knows what they doing, basically. So it's the same day as the attempt one of getting Dynomax put in. But another video for y'all. Me and my boy Chuck gonna do the Lux Auto tail light tint and the side markers and possibly D-badge. Boy dripping today, look at him. D-badge, tail light tint and side markers.
You all ready?
I ain't gonna lie, this shit coming along faster than I expected. All these are pretty self-explanatory. They got them, you know what I'm saying, on every single piece. So you can't really fuck up.
Yeah.
So I didn't record that part, but we just sprayed the prep on it to clean it up. Then we'll get some water and add the stuff, you know?
Yeah, line that up. Mm-hmm. And you can always
Pick it up.
yeah, you can always pick it up. There you go. And then so yeah, you can move. Yup. I just don't want to see that red like this.
Chuck working on the side, I'm finna work on the back. So we got the patch to the side done. It's pretty good. Still working on the side marker, trying to get it perfect.
I'm trying to get this.
He's a perfectionist.
I can't. I gotta really.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to D-badge it because I'm running a little late on time. But we're gonna get these, get it blacked out at least. So we got the trunk done. Not gonna be able to D-badge right now, but get it done later. And this is basically the final product. Gotta do some more cutting and all that, but I ain't got time to do it right now. We'll get it fixed later. But yeah, I'll catch y'all on another one because I'm running late for work. And if I don't go to work, I can't make these videos and I'm gonna get fired and yeah, all that good stuff. So I'll see y'all on the next one.